So I want to talk about this Segway Air T15 that I bought for my wife for her birthday, and why I'll be actually sending him back. So the Segway ES2 right here is mine, and the suspension on it is awesome. I love it. It's just not as compact as the Air T15. I was kind of disappointed because this thing is pretty awesome. Like the style on it is really neat. I was thinking my wife would be able to like easily drag it around, and I think with some design changes, the thing would be like stellar. I think the biggest problem is that the suspension is awful. There is none. So there's no springs in the back like the T15. For example, if I step on this, you can see like the whole board actually springs really nicely and absorbs all the divots and stuff that you hit along the road. This has nothing of that sort. There's no shocks in the front or the back that I could see. The other really bad thing is maneuverability. The T15 actually has a limited turning radius, which is limited by this mechanism here to help it fold, but it hinders its maneuverability. It's really bad, actually. This thing can actually turn quite a bit, which is nice for turning around sharp corners. Other than that, I would say the overall extended height of the T15 is pretty awesome. Well, maybe not as awesome as this. I kind of like that extra 6 inches, but I do like that this thing folds down and fits in the trunk of our car better. So if it could maybe extend to the height of this when in use, and then like stay low when it's like compressed down to the smaller size, that would be ideal. It's super easy to fold up. I like that feature. You go like this, and then you lay it down like this, and then it's pretty compact. I like how the handles fold down. These do not fold down, so I do not like that about this one. But this one's also pretty easy to fold down. It just doesn't fold down as compact. So, and it's kind of hard to hit that little button, but when I do compress it, you can kind of see the difference in overall size. I think they could probably fix the turning radius if they opened up this yoke a little bit more, so that it extends like another inch or so it would allow for the steering wheel to kind of pivot further. I don't really mind going out a little wider to make that happen, but they would also need to include some sort of shock absorber in this thing to kind of make it a little bit more forgiving on bumps. I really like this kind of feature where it kind of hides everything when it's all stored away. The charging cable is thoughtfully put inside there. That's really neat. Other than that, I think the packaging on it was pretty amazing. Like, you can actually reuse the styrofoam as a stand, which I thought was like incredibly awesome for the environment. So I don't know. I'm gonna take it back and actually get another ES2 in gray, because that's all they have available right now. But ultimately, I would love to see Segway rebuild this thing, maybe make it slightly bigger, a little bit more springy, fold up to about the same size, and more maneuverable, and definitely faster, and have a larger battery like this one has. If they can fix all those things, I would be selling both of these right away and buying a new T30 or whatever you guys call it. So that's my review. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Bye.